Welcome to Chapter 2 Intelligent Agents. In this chapter, we will explore the concept of intelligent agents, their structure, how they interact with their environment, and how they make rational decisions. Let's begin by understanding what an intelligent agent is. An intelligent agent is an entity that can perceive its environment using sensors, make decisions based on that information, and act upon it using actuators. These agents could be anything from a robot or software program to a human being or an animal. The key is that they gather input from their surroundings, process it, and respond with an appropriate action. For instance, a camera acting as a sensor may detect motion, prompting a machine to start recording. Or a sprinkler system may turn off based on signals from a rain sensor. Even a dog barking when a stranger approaches is behaving as an intelligent agent. More complex intelligent agents include self-driving cars and spacecrafts like SpaceX's Dragon. These systems combine data from various sensors, process that data in real time, and respond accordingly. Their actions depend on the environment they interact with, and they continuously adjust based on new inputs. Agents and environments. An agent is any entity that perceives its environment and acts upon it. The environment is everything that surrounds and interacts with the agent. For example, a human agent uses eyes, ears, and skin as sensors, and hands and legs as actuators. A robotic agent might use cameras and range finders as sensors and motors as actuators. A software agent, on the other hand, uses digital inputs like keystrokes or file contents and responds by modifying files or displaying information. The percept is what the agent senses at a given moment. The percept sequence is the complete history of all its perceptions. Agents use their percept sequence to decide what to do next, and this decision is guided by a set of rules or functions that map perceptions to actions. Agent terminology. Here are a few important terms. Performance measure, the criteria used to evaluate the agent's success. Behavior, the sequence of actions taken by the agent. Percept, a single input from the environment. Percept sequence, the history of all inputs received so far. Agent function, the logic or mapping that chooses actions based on percept sequences. Properties of environments. Environments can differ in several ways, discrete or continuous. A discrete environment has a limited number of clearly defined states, like chess. A continuous environment, like driving, has infinite states, observable or partially observable, if the agent can see the full state of the environment at all times. It is observable, static or dynamic. In a static environment, things stay the same unless the agent changes them. In dynamic environments, things change on their own. Single agent or multi-agent environments can involve just one agent or many, such as in multiplayer games. Accessible or inaccessible, can the agent access all relevant data? If yes, it's accessible. Deterministic or non-deterministic, can the next state be predicted from the current one? If not, it's non-deterministic. Episodic or non-episodic, in episodic environments, actions don't affect future outcomes. In non-episodic ones, they do. Understanding these properties helps design more effective intelligent agents. Good behavior, the concept of rationality. A rational agent is one that always chooses the action that leads to the best expected outcome, given the information it has. It doesn't mean the agent is perfect. It means it tries to make the best possible decision. Performance measures. These are specific criteria that help us evaluate how successful the agent is. For example, for a taxi agent, Fuel efficiency, speed, safety, and passenger satisfaction are all performance measures. Rationality. Rationality is the ability to make good decisions based on perceptions and knowledge. An agent is rational if it always tries to maximize its success based on the information it has. Ideal rational agent. An ideal rational agent always selects the best action based on its percept sequence, built-in knowledge, performance measures, available actions. Turing test. The Turing test measures a machine's intelligence. A human tester asks questions to both a human and a machine. If the tester cannot reliably tell which response is from the machine is considered intelligent. This test remains one of the most iconic assessments of artificial intelligence. Omniscience, learning, and autonomy. In theory, an omniscient agent knows everything about its environment and can always act perfectly. But in reality, this is impossible. Instead, agents must learn from experience. Their initial programming can include basic knowledge, but to perform better, they must learn as they go. A rational agent should be autonomous, meaning it can improve its behavior over time by learning from its environment, even if its initial knowledge is limited or flawed. The nature of environments. To understand how agents behave, let's explore environments further. Observability, full or partial, depending on what sensors can detect. Number of agents. A taxi with many autonomous cars is a multi-agent environment. Determinism. In a predictable environment, actions lead to known results. Static versus dynamic. A static environment doesn't change while the agent acts. A dynamic one does. Episodic versus sequential. Episodic environments don't depend on past actions. Sequential ones do. A taxi, for example, must deal with unpredictable traffic, weather, passengers, and road conditions. The design of its sensors and actuators must reflect this complexity, including GPS, cameras, microphones, and displays to interact with passengers. Structure of agents. Agents are built from two main components: architecture, the physical or virtual platform, such as a robot or software system; agent program, the software that runs on the architecture to determine actions. In simple terms, agent is equal to architecture agent program. Let's look at the types of agent programs. Simple reflex agents. These agents act only on the current percept. They follow basic rules like if the temperature is high, turn on the fan. This is effective only in fully observable environments. Model-based reflex agents. These maintain an internal model of the world and consider the history of percepts. This allows them to act even when some information is missing. To update their internal state, they must understand how the world changes, how their actions affect the world. Goal-based agents. These agents act based on goals. They evaluate different possible actions and choose the one that gets them closer to their goal. This makes them more flexible and adaptable than reflex agents. Utility-based agents. Utility-based agents not only work toward goals but also consider preferences. They evaluate how useful or desirable different outcomes are and choose the best one based on utility values. This helps in resolving conflicts and making better choices under uncertainty. Real-life examples. Let's take a look at a few real-world intelligent agents. Personal assistants like Siri and Alexa. They help users by answering questions and setting reminders. Autonomous robots like the Roomba or Amazon delivery bots. They navigate physical spaces and perform tasks. Gaming agents. These compete in games like chess or poker. Fraud detection systems used by banks to spot suspicious activity. Traffic management agents help optimize traffic flow in cities using sensors and real-time data. Each of these uses some form of sensory input and acts based on built-in or learned knowledge. Conclusion: to wrap up, intelligent agents are all around us. From simple reflex systems to complex, learning-based machines. They perceive, decide, and act in a wide variety of environments. The better they are designed to understand and interact with their environment, the more useful and efficient they become. Understanding their structure, behavior, and decision making strategies is essential in the field of artificial intelligence and will shape the future of how machines assist and interact with humans.